This facility transforms living insects into the foundation of future food systems.
Here, millions of mealworms are cultivated at an industrial scale. Up close, each mealworm shows the raw biological material being processed. At rest, the biomass moves as a single living system.
This automated release begins the controlled processing journey.
The insects are guided forward under strict hygienic conditions. Every line operates in perfect synchronization to maintain efficiency. Here, excess debris is removed to ensure uniform processing. The washing stage prepares the insects for safe food use. Inside the system, water removes remaining surface contaminants.
High-pressure rinsing ensures consistent sanitation.
After washing, excess moisture is carefully removed.
The facility remains clean, controlled, and fully enclosed. Thermal treatment begins the biological transformation process.
Heat safely neutralizes biological activity within seconds.
This marks the transition from live biomass to food ingredient.
Moisture reduction improves texture and shelf stability.
Air drying systems operate continuously to ensure uniform results. Gravity and airflow work together in this drying phase.
Once dried, the material is ready for mechanical breakdown.
Grinding converts whole insects into usable protein material. Particle size is reduced through precision milling. The process produces a fine, protein-rich powder. Quality is monitored throughout enclosed transport lines.
This powder becomes the base for multiple food products. All production streams are consolidated at this stage.
Carefully maintained.
The ingredient now moves toward final food production. From here, insects become everyday food products. At this stage, mealworms are precisely guided into controlled processing to ensure food-grade safety. Every movement is carefully monitored as the raw protein enters its transformation phase. Uniform distribution is essential before converting insects into edible protein.
Heat treatment begins the crucial shift from organism to ingredient.
Temperature control ensures both safety and nutritional integrity.
Inside the system, protein structure is carefully stabilized.
Rapid cooling locks in quality before further processing.
Moisture reduction prepares the insects for precision grinding.
This is where whole insects become a functional food material.
Mechanical processing converts biomass into usable protein mass. The protein base now takes on a new, versatile form. From here, the ingredient can be adapted for many products. This balance determines how the final food will feel and taste. Extrusion shapes protein into familiar food forms.
Here, alternative protein starts to resemble everyday staples. Texture engineering is key to consumer acceptance.
Precision cutting transforms protein sheets into noodles. The product now looks instantly recognizable. Uniformity ensures consistent cooking performance.
Drying stabilizes the noodles for long shelf life.
Controlled dehydration preserves structure and nutrition.
Cooling prepares the noodles for final handling.
The finished form meets industrial quality standards. Automation guarantees speed and accuracy at scale. High-volume production makes alternative protein widely accessible. From insects to instant meals, the transformation is complete.
This factory redefines how protein reaches the table.
Beyond noodles, the same protein base enables multiple food formats.
Size reduction prepares the protein for crunchy snack textures. Texture is carefully engineered before flavor is added.
Flavor coating transforms protein into an enjoyable snack.
Precise seasoning ensures consistent taste in every bite.
Uniform coverage is achieved through controlled motion.
Cooling stabilizes flavor and texture.
Visual appeal matters as much as nutrition.
Precision dosing guarantees product consistency.
Packaging protects quality from factory to consumer.
Every unit is visually checked by automated systems.
Scale allows alternative protein to reach mass markets.
Multiple lines converge into a unified output. Protein powder production begins with micron-level milling. This process unlocks concentrated nutritional value.
Fine milling ensures smooth integration into other foods.
Nutrient balance is adjusted for specific applications. Controlled blending creates functional nutrition.
From powder, multiple product paths are possible.
Compression prepares the protein for precise dosing. Encapsulation delivers protein in a familiar form. Automation ensures pharmaceutical-grade consistency.
Every unit undergoes rigorous quality control. Packaging adapts protein to diverse consumer needs. One ingredient powers an entire ecosystem of products.
Protein-enriched dough begins with precise ingredient integration.
Mechanical kneading develops structure and strength.
Every gram carries concentrated nutrition. Uniform flow ensures consistent product quality.
Sheeting prepares the base for bread and pasta forms. Thickness control is critical at this stage.
Precision cutting minimizes waste.
Extrusion shapes familiar foods from new protein.
Fresh texture defines product appeal.
Controlled drying stabilizes structure and shelf life.
Standardization enables mass distribution.
Visual consistency builds consumer trust.
Fermentation enhances flavor and digestibility.
Baking transforms nutrition into comfort food.
Freshness is locked in immediately.
Uniform slices support modern consumption habits.
Packaging protects quality and hygiene.
Protein beverages expand consumption possibilities.
Homogenization ensures smooth mouthfeel.
Clarity reflects purity and control. Liquid formats reach new audiences.
Every bottle meets strict standards.
Final identity is applied at scale.
One protein powers diverse everyday foods.
The production journey now meets the public. Innovation is introduced through transparency.
Curiosity drives first impressions.
Familiar formats reduce hesitation.
Live cooking builds trust.
Texture defines acceptance.
Taste confirms perception. Next generations adapt quickly. Choice empowers the consumer.
Engagement becomes interaction.
Education supports confidence.
Storytelling completes the product.
Nutrition meets convenience.
Discussion signals openness.
A new food category emerges.
Adoption begins with action.
Sustainable choices feel tangible. Innovation leaves the showroom. Public exposure shapes the future.
Factory products enter daily life.
Preparation mirrors familiarity.
Flavor bridges tradition and change.
Shared meals normalize innovation.
Acceptance happens one bite at a time.
New protein integrates seamlessly.
Experience shapes opinion.
The cycle continues through demand.
What was once unexpected becomes everyday.